Hey everybody. Well, I picked up a 72 Squareback. Big project. It was a project getting it out of it was in the dirt for 16 years, and the wheels were all sunken in the ground. So unfortunately, none of the wheels were able to be salvaged. But I had some spare Rivieras I threw on here just to get it out. We dug it out. I had to break all the rear drums, the front rotors. They were all seized, and we got it out of there with a tractor and a trailer. If you want to see that video, click up here. You'll see the whole process.
There you go. Look at that. That was good. You've done this before. That was good.
All right, guys, we got it home. We're gonna go ahead and bomb it. We're gonna go ahead and pressure wash it, clean it up, degrease it with a little degreaser on there, and then that's where we're gonna be at for right now. We'll go ahead and work on a little bit more. Obviously, we got the 71 that we're gonna prepare to go out west. We got the 61 split that we got to do a lot of work on, and this obviously is a big project in itself. But I got the original key, I got the title. Fortunately, no engine, but I'm gonna need to put an engine together probably, and then I'm gonna have to do some metal work. But if you guys have any leads on any Squareback parts, an engine, a hood, driver's side fender, or any other parts, just let us know. We're gonna have a list going together. Okay guys, so we're gonna bomb this thing. We're gonna try to get some of the critters out of here. It's been sitting in Florida and covered, kind of not covered, but a little overhang in the swampy-ish area. So huntsman spiders, there's carpenter ants, there's other ants, little other spiders. So I don't want to get bit by these things. Well, the degreaser works good, but some of this heavy duty caked on algae or mold, whatever it is, not coming off. So with the scrub brush, it comes off very good, pretty decent. So we're gonna run this along the body for a little bit, see if we can get some of the hard stuff off, get the vines, roots sticking on here too. And get some of them off. Keep running all over the Yeah. So it looks like there's some underneath here. The original color is kind of popping through, so this was definitely sprayed over before. Looks like more of a canary color sprayed on there, but not too shabby. Factory color right there. It's looking like a brand new car, I'm telling you. Look at this. That scrub job here.
Oh my god, there it is. Oh.
See him?
Oh my god, there it is.
We're gonna go ahead and start vacuuming from the inside. We got the trunk area. We have a little mouse in here somewhere. I don't know where it ran off to. We'll find it. So, take it off.
That's the first order of business.
Yeah, now we can put this thing back on.
OG.
Regulators. This other one's heavy, goodness sake, you know. The Super Beetle one that I had, I actually still have it for Mike Statton's Beetle Super.
Yeah.
That one is the same one. Oh, this is the other one. That was for. This looks Volkswagen related with that screw. So it looks like a Volkswagen screw. And that was, you know who they are? Fuses. Heck yeah. Definitely use these bad boys. Definitely use them. Some screws. Volkswagen screws for sure. All right, so clean up the little glove box here. Found the other cap to the fender. It looks like it goes by the torsion tube, little cover there. We got that. Found another key to the gas cap. It's got a little locking gas cap in there. I found an old Johnson & Johnson compact first aid kit, and in it was fuses. So we're gonna hold on to that. Other than that, there was some lizard eggs in here. A lot of dust and debris, nests, mouse nests, and also found a hinge. I don't know what that hinge goes to. That's very interesting. So, but it looks like it has a Volkswagen Phillips on there. I don't see any other VW stamping on here. Good call, dear. Yep, that's what it is. All seized up. So that's what it goes to. Hinge found it. It's the other piece to this. I guess it goes down like that. And yeah, just got to go ahead and degrease that. I'm gonna have to weld that back in. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little walk around here, kind of show the imperfections. Now we cleaned it and vacuumed it. Didn't do a whole lot of dressing it up nicely, but hey, it is what it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start at the front. We do have some rust. We got a rust here in the top portion of the fender. We've got rust on the lower portion here of the door here as well. I got the cap here still. It was in the glove box. The doors open pretty good. This one here needs a little WD-40, but they close nice. Nothing sags at all. Floor pans are shot. Both sides are shot. I'm going to need to address that. I was going to try to put little pan halves in it, but it's not going to. I don't think that's the way to go. So it looks like it needs full pan replacement. Headliners toast. I'm going to rip all that out. We may not do headliner in here. That's the point. Plan is probably not do headliner in here. Maybe paint it inside. I have the passenger seat. I have the rear seat. All the windows are intact. No cracks. We got fogging in the front, but that's normal. All the seals are obviously shot. No problem there. Roof's good for the most part. The bumpers are just toast. The lower panel here is out. Does not have an engine. We do have rod inside here. So I'm going to probably just try to make a panel for that out of steel and just try to cut around it and try to make something for this engine cover. Now a friend of mine who actually picked this up with his tractor and trailer, he said that they used to do like a carburetor. They used to put another carburetor on here and they'd have to make room for it. And so they'd cut a little hole in here and then this is what they used to cover that. So to build up that space. So again, the bumper's shot, destroyed. Now this is real bad here where it leaked down. There's previous Bondo here, so probably gonna have to like try to make some type of metal piece here, go around. I'm a little nervous about doing that. Never done anything quite like this, but that needs some help. Got a little Bondo here. This portion of the door is rotted. This panel here, or panel here is gone, but this whole fender needs to be replaced. Rot here, and it's actually pulling away from the this portion here. So, in here, the lower portion of the bumper here is rotted out. So this is going to need a new bumper too. The hood is definitely need to be replaced. Definitely needs to be replaced there. Now, when we were cleaning this out, a mouse actually was running around here. Looks like they might be burrowing in the fuel tank. So, no salvage in that tank. We got some rot on the inner fenders. rod out in here. I guess the tire well. I can make a piece for that as well with some steel and bending it and just weld that in. But other than that, that's the car. I got interior panels. They were just kind of thrown around. Like I said, the car was sitting for 16 years, unfortunately, in the dirt. And the tires said sunk about 6 inches into the ground. Got the original, I got the title and I got the key for it, which is good. So we're going to try to salvage this, and I'd like to salvage it enough to make it a driver, not a parts car. This is going to be a big project. I don't plan on doing anything with this right away. Like I said, we got the 61 bus we got to work on next. But 72 Squareback. Can we save it? Let's see if we can get another one on the road. Enough for now. Maybe that bracket will go down there and hold that in. Just these things in there right now. Where that one went. Oh, this one went between the seats there. I think I threw that one out. Oh no, it's over here. I could trace some of those panels for that.